Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Young, and today I want to say something about myself. Guys, today I want to say something. Listen carefully. Please help me. I don't have a good confidence for speaking English, but I need English. Okay, how can I improve my confidence? But I understand all like English, also Nepalese, because I'm Nepalese and another things. I don't have a good confidence. It is my big mistakes or big no or lack of point and in front of unknown person, in front of teacher, in front of with friend. But I cannot speak English. I cannot speak like Nepalese also confidently. But I understand. But why? I don't have a good confidence. And how can I improve my confidence? Speak all language. It means English, Nepalese, be both with lot person. And I understand completely, but why? I don't know. Like in front of camera, I'm gonna nervous. Right now, I'm so nervous. That are my big mistakes. And another things, some students, some friends, like easily speak English, Nepalese, but I don't have a good confidence, man. Please write a comment. Do you have any tips? Please write a comment. And I'm gonna frustrate like things about my confidence. But, just every times I think just I don't have oh my god, I don't have a good confidence. That's why. Please write a comment. Okay, let's go, guys. Bye.